I'm here in my living room and I had a box of my daughter's clothes that I was ready. I've had it for like 2 years now, to be totally honest, and I was going to just bring it to the thrift store. Can't do that because I'm now in the reseller community, and Megan has me hooked on reselling my clothes or reusing them or just repurposing them in some way to keep them out of the landfills. That's our goal here, right? And to, be able to give other people clothing that might be quality at a lower price. I have no idea whether or not I can actually sell them or if I'm actually gonna get any money out of it, if it's worth my time or not. So I've kind of gone through the box. I did have a few that I just knew weren't going to be able to sell. They were just too used shoes, a couple of tops that just had too many stains. So I've got these adorable little velvet shoes. So these are Cat and Jack, so I know that's Target brand. I don't know if they can be sold. And furthermore, how do I clean these things? I don't know. Megan needs to tell me. Who remembers jelly shoes? I mean, come on, I can't believe they're already back, but cute as hell. These are pink. Again, Cat and Jack. Ballet shoes. I have 2 pairs of tap shoes, barely used. Again, how do I clean these? I know these can be sold. I have another pair in the box. She probably wore these once. I don't even know. We accidentally walked out of the bowling alley with bowling shoes on. But they're just so cute. I don't know. I think somebody would want these, so can I sell these or is the bowling alley gonna come after me? I don't know. Perfectly good little hiking sandals for a kid. Again, I don't know, maybe Megan, you could tell me if I can sell these even though I can't see the brand. I have these little Nikes. They're adorbs and not too badly used, but this one has some stain on it. So I would think that I would need to try and get those stains out before we could actually sell them. Bugs, cute little rain boots. Don't really look too used, so I didn't know if I could sell them as is or what I need to do to actually clean these to sell these. So this is an Oshkosh shirt, Old Navy, but a cute little sweater vest kind of thingy. And then this one here is Baby Gap, cute sweater. A Wish Come True, it's called. Cute little dress, rare edition. Perfect condition. I'm not seeing a name on this, but it's cute. Wonder Kids. This has got to be Target or something because I have so much of it. And then this here is another velvet fabric that has some stains on it that I would need to get out, I would think, before selling. I don't know. She barely wore it, but this one is Miss Quality. Cute red dress. Basic Editions. Zunies. But it has little snags in it, so I don't think this can be sold, but maybe you could do some magic to it. I'm not sure. This little jacket type sweater with a little belt to go around the waist. Then I got these Frozen shirts, new with tags. 2 practically never worn Cat and Jack, so I guess Cat and Jack. I need to know whether or not I can sell these Cat and Jacks. And then these are all Wonder Kids. Cute. A little sunbathing wrap, cute little pineapple shirt. And I think this is what a lot of people struggle with selling stuff from their closet is they see it and they're like, oh, I only paid $5 or I only paid $10. Why would anybody want to pay anything for it? So what's the point of taking the time to take the photo and whatnot? So that's what I'm kind of struggling with right here. I don't know what brand it is, but it's so cute. Wonder Kids. Yeah, it's all Wonder Kids. So that's what I had. I have way more stuff because I personally have fluctuated in size. I have clothes from size 4 to size 12. So I have to get rid of some of this stuff. So we're gonna do this again, but this was a kids load. And I just wanted to find out from Megan, how do I make my life easier? I'm trying to figure out how to determine what's worth listing and whatnot.
Hi, Gemma. So I know I told you to get all of these clothes together. Those are so cute. The baby clothes, the shoes are great. You could take each individual piece and put it on Poshmark and you're right, you'll get a few bucks for them. Here's my suggestion. Except for the Bogs, the Nike, and maybe the Baby Gap sweater, I would pivot to, it's called Growing Sense of Style. There's different ones around the country. There's a Just Between Friends, Growing Sense of Style. There's a variety of different ones. I'll make a list of them. We'll make you an account on the Growing Sense of Style page. There's one locally here in Barrington. It's, I think, the first weekend in August. I'm gonna be putting some kids' clothes on there as well. We'll put like the cute Target brands. We'll make little sets of them, especially if they're the same size, a couple of those dresses together. I think you also definitely should just spray and wash or shout, or my favorite, Grandma's Secret stain remover on the Nikes, and that red dress that's totally washable. It's cotton, I can tell. Spray that, put it in the wash so that there's no stains on it. That sale sells clothes like crazy. People are on there trying to get low priced items. You'll definitely at least get your money back, maybe more. And I want you to list all of those things that way. It's really fun because it's all online now thanks to the pandemic. A rare benefit of the pandemic. You put everything online and then you only have to drop off what sells. So it's really nice. It saves a lot of time and effort. I used to always work Just Between Friends sale near me when I lived in Pennsylvania, and it was list everything, drop everything off, hang everything up in the right areas, put all the toys in the right areas, and then when that was all done, when everybody shopped, then you would have to go back and pick up stuff that didn't sell. So it's way easier now. Everybody shops online and you drop it off if it sells. If it doesn't, no harm, no foul. Keep it for next time. Drop it off at Goodwill, whatever your pleasure is. And we can put like the cute little shirts together with the cute little shorts and make an outfit and sell it and get your money back. Now you're also doing great things for the environment because you're not throwing those clothes away. They're not going to end up in landfills. But back to the Bogs. We're going to list the Bogs on Poshmark. We're going to list the Nikes on Poshmark. And I think that Baby Gap sweater could be listed on Poshmark for a nice profit because it's retired, it's no longer used, it's cable knit, and people are always looking for that. But you could also put that on the Growing Sense of Style, no harm, no foul, probably about the same price. I just allocated those three as something we should put on Poshmark to see how they sell, and the Bogs are worth quite a bit of money. You'll get some money for those. Nike's always a great brand to sell on Poshmark. Oh, and I forgot about the little bowling shoes. Those are so cute. I'm gonna do some research on those, but definitely those should go on Poshmark. Oh, they're so cute. Adorable stuff. Oh, the Wish Come True could also go either way. So the white dress, only because we're into summer, so people are starting to think about Halloween. I sold a Toy Story Woody costume yesterday. So people are literally starting to think about what they're gonna put their kids in for October right now. But great job, Gemma. We are getting there. I want to see the rest of your stuff. I want to see all those size 4 to 12s that we can get on Poshmark, because women clothes sell on Poshmark. Let's do it. Great job. We'll talk more about the Growing Sense of Style sale as it gets closer, but it is a great way for moms to make a little extra cash and get rid of their kids' clothes. And more importantly, when you're a seller at Growing Sense of Style, you can shop early. And you can shop the clearance sale early. Right at the end of the sale, everything clearances 50% off, and it is a great sale, and you do really well there to flip some things. So I always make a ton of money at Growing Sense of Style because I have money that I'm making off of the kids stuff, and importantly, I shop the sale, and again, it's just moms. They're not usual resellers, and for the most part, and there is some really great deals that you can flip on Poshmark. So it is a win-win all around, and ours coming up in August. Look in your area for a Growing Sense of Style or a Just Between Friends sale. They are amazing ways to close the loop on the textile waste, get rid of stuff out of your house, make some money, and importantly for resellers, flip some great items. So awesome little tip for you guys. Have a great day. Talk to you soon.